Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use invisible filter on Snapchat. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Play Store. Once you open Play Store, you simply need to search your Snapchat and update your Snapchat application. Once you've done that, you simply need to go and open Snapchat. Once you open Snapchat, you simply need to click on the search icon in the top left, and here you need to search for the invisible. Okay, so you simply need to click on that, and you are here to use that filter, so you can see that. So you simply need to click on this record button and you can easily use that filter. So this is the process by which you can use invisible filter on Snapchat. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.